Assembling a USCIS package is a crucial step in the process of applying for a visa or green card in the United States. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services requires applicants to submit a comprehensive package that includes all the necessary documents and forms. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to assemble a USCIS package. First, gather all the required forms and documents. The specific forms and documents needed will depend on the type of application you are making, but most applications will require a completed and signed form, a copy of your passport, a copy of your birth certificate, and a copy of your marriage certificate if applicable. Next, make sure you have completed all the required forms accurately and thoroughly. Read the instructions carefully and fill out each form in black ink. Do not leave any questions blank. Instead, write none or not applicable if the question does not apply to you. After completing the forms, organize them in the correct order. The typical order is the cover letter, the completed form, the supporting documents, and the evidence. The cover letter should introduce yourself and explain the purpose of the application. The completed form should be the next item, followed by the supporting documents such as your passport and birth certificate. The evidence should include documents that support your claim such as proof of income or proof of relationship. Once you have organized your documents, make a copy of the entire package. This is in case the original package is lost or damaged during shipping. You should also keep a copy for your records. Finally, submit the package to the USCIS. Make sure to use a secure and trackable method of shipping such as USPS or FedEx. You should also keep a record of the tracking number so you can track the status of your package. In conclusion, assembling a USCIS package requires careful attention to detail and a thorough understanding of the requirements. By following these steps and including all the necessary documents and forms, you can ensure that your application is processed efficiently and effectively. It is also recommended to consult with an immigration attorney or seek guidance from the USCIS website to ensure that you have the most up-to-date information and to avoid any mistakes that could delay your application.